Om Shanti.
Divine Souls, Namaste. Please welcome to Spiritual Health and Meditations. ದಿವ್ಯವಾದ ಆತ್ಮಗಳೇ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ, ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಸತ್ಸಂಗದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ತ್ರಿ ಓಂಕಾರಸ್. ಓಂ ಸಹನಾ ಭವತು, ಸಹನೌ ಭುನಕ್ತು, ಸಹ ವೀರ್ಯಂ ಕರವಾವಹೈ, ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಾವಧೀತಮಸ್ತು ಮಾ ವಿದ್ವಿಷಾವಹೈ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ. Satsanga.
Sir, question, sir.
Yeah, sure. You can ask any amount of questions here. So before we start, yes, sir. Please ask. Kelima. Hello.
Sir, what is a soul?
Okay. You note it down. We'll answer it. Okay. It's a wonderful question. Yes. What is a soul? Okay.
And is a soul good or bad?
Is what?
The soul good or bad?
1 minute. I'll make a note of your questions, please.
Is the soul?
Okay. What is the soul? That is your question. Okay. And is the soul good or bad? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Only these two questions.
Sir, I wanted to ask one.
Sir, there are n number of them.
Yeah, I understood. I'll make a note of these questions so that I can answer it and stay in it. Yes, Akka, your question, please.
Sir, is it wrong? Is it a vikarma if we tell a lie so that we don't hurt someone?
Okay.
Someone. If we tell a lie, is it a vikarma?
Yeah. Telling a lie? Yes. And if it doesn't hurt someone?
Yes, sir. Not to hurt someone. Is it a lie?
Not to hurt someone. Wonderful. Okay. Yes. So we are starting off with good questions. Okay. Any other questions, please?
Sir, we were doing the Soham Pranayam.
Yes,
So
Akka.
you said that this helps to reduce our prarabdha karmas.
Oh, yes, Akka.
So from what I understand, the prarabdha karmas we live our breaths, the number of breaths we take is equivalent to the prarabdha karmas that we have. So will that alter our lifespan? If our karmas are over, prarabdha karmas are over, we do not stay on the earth, right? So when we enter...
No. Okay.
So,
yes,
if we annihilate the prarabdha karmas, are we altering the lifespan as well? Because our purpose when we are settling accounts and when our whatever we have come for.
Okay, I will make a note of that question also. Okay,
Yes.
Next, please. Yes, I am taking down questions. Anyone is noting down, please note down.
Sir, these karmas.
Yeah.
Now we concentrate on chakras. There are n number of nadis and
72,000 nadis.
also we also have the 5 bodies or the 7 bodies. So
5 bodies,
these karmas,
yes, sir.
yeah, so these karmas, the accumulated karmas of this life or the previous lives,
Okay.
where will it go settle?
Okay, where does it settle? Okay. Next, over.
We are said to concentrate on higher chakras.
Sir, I'm sorry, I couldn't get you. Will you please repeat it?
What is the meaning of concentration or special focus on a particular chakra?
Okay, okay.
What is that? What is that focus?
Okay, what is focus? Okay, very good.
What are we
Okay.
supposed to do?
Okay, sir, I'll answer that also. Okay. Okay, over. We'll take up one by one. We'll take up one by one. So before that, okay, do you know what is life? Does anyone know what is life? How
Life
to lead life? What is life and how to lead life?
Life. So life is when a soul takes a birth
Okay.
and for a purpose, with a
Okay.
purpose, and
Okay.
goes through it for for that he takes up any source of any form for its purpose, to perform
Okay,
its
Devare. Okay, wonderful. Okay, thank you for answering, Devare. So we'll start off with the basics. Okay, so all your questions will be answered. Wonderful questions. So any other questions we'll take up. Don't worry. You can interrupt me at any point of time. You can ask me questions. You can also, if you don't understand, can interrupt me and ask me to clarify that. Okay, I will clarify everything. Now, coming on to the basics. Now, do we know what our goal is? Does anyone know what your goal is? Devare,
self-realization, sir.
what is your goal? Self-realization. Very good answer. Okay. Yes, sir. Any other answers, please?
Live in the present, sir. Be at present.
Be in the present.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next, I'm making a note. I don't know whether anyone else is making a note. Yes, sir. Over. Okay, let me clarify everything. A goal. Now, what is meant by a goal? What is meant by a goal?
something we have to achieve.
Achieve, sir.
Something we have to achieve. Okay, very good. Okay, let this be an interaction class. Okay, ಇದು ಒಬ್ಬರದೇ one-sided ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. So I want everyone to understand every bit of it. Okay, so this is to be understood in every bit, every particle. I'll put it this way: every particle should be understood. No one should be in doubt. So we'll clear all the doubts. Okay, something to achieve is a goal. Wonderful. Okay, now let me tell you, goal is aim, uddesha, whatever it is. Now, is happiness a goal?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Wonderful. No, very good. Happiness is not a goal. Very good. So all of you know it. Happiness is not a goal. Very good, Devare. Okay.
Goal, sir.
Now, your goal will define your philosophy. So make a note of this if you want to make a note. This is for lifetime. Your goal will define your philosophy. Your philosophy will define the path which you have to take. Your path will define your lifestyle. Got me?
ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Okay. So you want me to repeat it?
Please. Yes sir.
You want me to repeat?
Yes sir.
Okay. Okay. Your goal, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಿದೆ, that will define your philosophy. That will define your you. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay. This philosophy will define your path. ಯಾವ path ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. And this path of yours will define your lifestyle. Let me explain to you. Goal. Now, I'll take my example. Shall I take my example? Now, my goal is to achieve God realization through self-realization. Now, the philosophy that I have chosen is Adi Sanatana Devi Devata Dharma. Okay. For this, the path that I have chosen is Raja Yoga. Now, this path becomes for a lifestyle. So, when I make this as a lifestyle, as my lifestyle, I'll have to lead it that way. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So,
Yes sir.
yes. So, this is my lifestyle. So, I am supposed to lead a lifestyle of a Raja Yogi. Okay, day in and day out. That means my day in and day out, whatever I do, whatever I think, whatever I speak, should be in terms of what goal I want to achieve. Okay. So that way, some of you said that your goal is self-realization. Now, you have to define the philosophy for that self-realization. How are you going to achieve it? And as per that, you choose a path. And as per that path, you choose your lifestyle. So your lifestyle has to be that. So for example, a doctor, he takes up a particular college. That is his philosophy. Okay. And what does he want to do? His path is becoming a doctor. Now, how should be his lifestyle? How should be his lifestyle? Like a doctor or like an engineer?
Like a doctor.
Yes. So you got me what I meant?
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this is the goal. Goal andre ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So now the path which I take is called as dharana. Dharana means dharma. Dharana means dharma. The path on which I am going to walk. Okay. Now coming on to the ultimate of everyone here, whoever is assembled here or no, the end product, athwa the aim, the goal is self-realization for everyone. So achieving God realization through self-realization. So how to achieve that? So we'll go step by step. How to achieve that? What is spirituality? What is the soul? Who is the soul? Where is the soul? We'll go there step by step. Okay. Now, what is spirituality? Many of you know the answers.
Giving importance to the rituals of the spirit.
Wonderful. Giving importance to the rituals of the spirit. Okay. The spirit forgetting the rituals of the spirit is religion. The spirit adhering to the rituals of the spirit is spirituality. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಬೇಕಾ? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಕನ್ನಡ. Okay.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ.
Sure. Now what is the spirit? ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ? ಆತ್ಮ. ಆತ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮ
Spirit.
ತನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನ ಅರಿತುಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ.
Okay, okay.
ಆತ್ಮ ತನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಅರಿಯದೆ ನಡೆದುಕೊಂಡರೆ ಅದು ರಿಲಿಜನ್. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Do you all know that you are a spirit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you know that you are a spirit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then do you have a name then?
Name is the one given by parents and society, sir.
And to the body, not
Body,
to
sir.
you.
Body. Body.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ?
Yes, sir.
ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The name is given to your body, not to you. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means you are having no name. So you are the soul and you have a body. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
We'll go in detail one by one. Don't worry. You are the soul. You have a body. It is not that you are a body having a soul. You are a soul having a body. Okay? Got it? ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಆತ್ಮ ತನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಡೆಯೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ ಇಂದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಆತ್ಮನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮ ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅಕ್ಕ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ನೀವೇನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಕ್ಕ, ನಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್
ಸರ್
ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್
The ritual,
ಅಂತ
the spirit.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆತ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ನಿಜವಾದ ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಅರಿಯದೆ ನಡೆಯೋದು ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್
ಎಸ್
ಅಂತ
ಅಕ್ಕ, ಎಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಎಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ವೆದರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಡ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ದೇವ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ನೌ
Sure.
coming back to spirit. What is a spirit? Who am I? What am I? Where am I? Why am I here? What is my purpose here? So all this, knowing this is called as spirituality. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ನಾನು ಯಾರು, ನನ್ನವರು ಯಾರು, ನಾನು ಏತಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು, ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನು, ನನ್ನವರು ಯಾರು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ knowing all these things is called as spirituality. So we'll decipher one by one. Who am I? What am I? Where am I? Why am I here? What is my purpose here? Plus, okay, what am I supposed to do? Who is mine? Nannavaru yaru. Now for that, I'll go step by step. ಈಗ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts in spirituality? Spirituality is not one day program or one ido. It is, spirituality is your way of life. It is not just sitting for 5 minutes and meditating, or it is not just sitting in front of God and doing puja, or it is not just going to a temple or performing any rituals. Spirituality is a way of life. Okay, who all wants to choose spirituality as way of life? How many of you want to choose spirituality as a way of life? You want to? Okay, very good. Now let me tell you what all you have to do. Okay, now we'll come down. What is a spirit? Spirit andre atma. Nanu atma. I am a soul. I am a soul.
So,
So what is a soul? Soul is the tiniest of metaphysical thing which cannot be seen with the help of this naked eye. Soul is the one which energizes this body. Soul is the one which controls this body. The soul is the one which is the master of this body. The soul is none other than the child of Almighty God, Param Atma. So the Supreme Soul is none other than Paramatma. The child of Paramatma is Atma. So all of us are divine souls, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very good. So all are souls. So iga Atma and mele, just like how this body has organs, just like how this body has indriyas, similarly Atma has 3 faculties. Okay, so before going to those 3 faculties, let me decipher what we are called as. What are we called as? Human beings. We are called as human being, right?
Yes, sir.
ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ? Okay, now what is this human being? Human being ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 1 ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Human means it is from a Latin word humus. Humus means mud, soil. Human ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಾಗ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಪಂಚತತ್ವಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಶರೀರ. That is human. So now all of you know what is human?
Yes, sir.
Meeting with the founders.
Human means
I come to know
matter. ದೇಹ 5 ತತ್ವಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಈ ಶರೀರ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬಾಡಿ. So being is the energy, the consciousness, the awareness, the shakti.
There is such a
power.
all around for Kimari auntie.
Take a video.
Okay, a video of it around, please, and send it to me.
Which one, Akka?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. Yes. Being means the energy, the power, the shakti, the consciousness. Now, this being without a human body has nothing to do. Got me? So, human body always requires something to power it. If a human body does not have a being in it, if a human body does not have a soul in it, if a human body does not have Atma in it, if a human body does not have a Atman in it, if the human body does not have spirit in it, the human body is called as dead body.
Dead body.
Okay? ಒಂದು ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ?
Dead body.
Dead body. Only when there is the spirit or the soul in the body, it is called as a human being. Ellaru artha aita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
See, we'll take an example of a doctor taking one anyone, say Mr. Thomas or something, to an operation theatre. Operation theatre ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, and he will tell his nurses, his sisters, take Mr. Thomas to the operation theatre. Now, if Mr. Thomas dies on the operating table, the same doctor, he comes out and tells, take the body to the mortuary.
Take this body.
What happens to the name?
Oh, man.
Name will gone. Name will gone.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹೆಸರು ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶರೀರದಿಂದ ಆತ್ಮ ಹೋದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಶರೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. That body is that body is just a dead body. So that is to be taken to the mortuary and ಅಂತಿಮ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ರೈಚುವಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ a human body cannot live without a being. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
Yes, sir.
Atman cannot live without a human body. Okay, Atma, human body, Sharira illade irlik agalla. So they are made for each other.
Yes, sir.
ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು
ದೇಹ ಬೇಕೇ
ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ
ಬೇಕು
ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ, ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಆತ್ಮ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು.
ಆತ್ಮ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೂ ದೇಹ ಬೇಕು, ದೇಹಕ್ಕೂ ಆತ್ಮ ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್, ದ ಸೋಲ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್, ದ ಸೋಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೋಲ್, ಆತ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಶರೀರದ ಮೂಲಕ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes. Okay, sir.
ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಶರೀರ ಬೇಕು, ಶರೀರ ಆತ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳಿದೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು 5 ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ತಾನೆ?
Yes, sir.
ಕಣ್ಣು, ಮೂಗು, ನಾಲಿಗೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಿವಿ, ರೈಟ್?
ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ, ಪಂಚೇಂದ್ರಿಯ.
ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಆತ್ಮಕ್ಕೂ 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿಗಳಿದೆ. ಆತ್ಮ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟೀಸ್. Okay, you can put it as 3 organs or whatever it is. Those 3 are the mind, the intellect, and the samskaras. So, is there anyone who has seen the mind?
No, sir.
Does
No, sir.
everyone have a mind?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ಮನಸ್ಸು
sir.
ಅನ್ನೋದಿದೆ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಆ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, sir.
No.
Think ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
No.
Okay. Let me ask you, twinkle twinkle little star ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Brain ಅಲ್ಲಿ sir.
ಈಗ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದೆಯಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
Is it
It
inside
is
the
our
brain?
imagination, sir. It is our imagination.
Okay, devre. Brain is a physical thing, ma. Okay. Brain is a physical thing. Got me? Mind is metaphysical. Mind cannot be
Yes, sir.
seen, but can be felt. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಲೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಲೆ ಇದೆ, ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir.
Mind is metaphysical. You cannot see it. You can feel
Feel
it. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Everyone uses the mind.
Yes, sir.
And what is the nature of the mind? The nature of the mind is to think. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who creates the thoughts? You or who?
We.
Sir.
Me.
We.
You only create the thought. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪವನ್ನ ಇಡ್ತಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸರ್.
ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಥಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಥಾಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್?
Yes, sir.
Very much.
ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಕಾರಣನೋ ದೇವ್ರ ಕಾರಣನೋ?
Sankalpa.
ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ
ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ.
ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಫರಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು?
ನಾವೇ.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕರ್ಮಗಳು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
ಡು ವಿ
No, sir.
ಬ್ಲೇಮ್ ಗಾಡ್?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
No one has blamed God so far.
We are blamed, sir.
No, sir.
We did
ಯಾಕೆ
not
ದೇವರೇ
know.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ, ನಾನೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ನಾ ಅಂತ ಬೈಲಿಲ್ವಾ ದೇವರಿಗೆ?
Sir, ಅವಾಗ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಈ ಜ್ಞಾನ.
ಅವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ದೇವರೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಸಿಫರ್ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಗಾಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ,
We
how
talk
God is
with
not the reason. Now the next faculty is the intellect and the third faculty is the sanskara. So ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So shall we stop at this mind today?
Cannot, sir.
We cannot stop at this mind. ಅರೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ,
sir.
ನಾನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಮೈಂಡ್,
ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ದ ಥಾಟ್. ನಾವೇ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆತ್ಮ, ನಾಟ್ ಶರೀರ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಆತ್ಮನ 3 ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿಗಳಿದೆ: ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 7. ವಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಡೆಸಿಫರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, attitude comes from where? From the mind only. Intention comes from where? From the mind only. Awareness comes from where? From the mind only. Okay. Assumption comes from where? From the mind only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ there are several phases or parts or stages. So I will tell you the stages of the mind. The first one is memory, smruti. Ellaru memory na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸ್ಮೃತಿ. ಸ್ಮೃತಿ. Okay. ಎರಡನೇದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. I am going to tell in stages, step by step. So ಎರಡನೇದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ. ಮೂರನೇದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಮೂರನೇದು ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಭಾವನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ attitude, vritti. Then comes drishti, perception. Then comes kruti, action. Now got me? Step by step. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾರಣ ನನ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ದೇವರೇ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So before we end the class, the last line ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. And based on this line, tomorrow we will continue. So tomorrow, at what time are we continuing tomorrow?
12:15, sir.
12:15.
Okay, 12:15. Okay, done. Okay. Now, 12:15 ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ, ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಮಾತ್ರ 4 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Okay, no problem. 12:15 tomorrow. Now, my thought creates my destiny. How does it create? I will give you a step-by-step varnane. So we will explain on this tomorrow. So my thought creates feeling. Thought creates feeling. This feeling creates attitude. This attitude creates action. So I don't create only one action, a number of actions. So these actions of mine create habits. Habit andre eno? Repeated action, alva? ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಇದು ಕೈ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಉಗುರು ಕಚ್ಚಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, unknowingly it goes. So it becomes a habit of mind, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So repeated action is nothing but habit. This sum total of my habit becomes my personality. Yes or no?
Yes.
This personality is nothing but my character, which I carry everywhere. And this character becomes my destiny. So every single thought of mine creates my
Destiny.
Wonderful, creates my destiny. Every single thought of mine creates my consequence. Every single thought of mine creates my future. Every single thought of mine creates my luck. Every single thought of mine creates nanna hane baraha, nanna fate. Hagad nanna hane bara bardiroru yaru? ನಾವೇ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಈಗ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬೆಲೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ? ಈಗ who is the reason?
We are the reason.
We are the reason. So you have you written this line? We will go in detail tomorrow in this line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So almost 40 minutes ಆಯ್ತು, 39 minutes ಆಯ್ತು. We said we'll finish this class in half an hour. It is 40 minutes. ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಧಂಬರ್ಧ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ದೇವ್ರೆ. Okay, so my thought creates my destiny. How does it create? I have given the deciphering thing of it. Yes or no? You make a note of this. Tomorrow we'll go in detail with the mind, and further we'll go in detail mind ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾಗಗಳಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಪಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ. Tomorrow we'll go there. Okay?
Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And we'll meet at 5 o'clock for the class. Yes, ma.
Thank you, sir.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಈಗ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್,
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಅಣ್ಣ.
I'll answer this. Okay? Okay, ದೇವ್ರೆ. Okay, shall we end this? ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಈಗ.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
Thank you. We'll meet once again at
Thank you,
5
sir.
o'clock, please. 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you and God bless you, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We shall end this session, please. Session ಅನ್ನ end ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3 ಓಂಕಾರ. ಓಂ ಓಂ ಓಂ. Visualize the entire world. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸರ್ವೇ ಭವಂತು ಸುಖಿನಃ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಸಂತು ನಿರಾಮಯ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಭದ್ರಾಣಿ ಪಶ್ಯಂತು, ಮಾ ಕಶ್ಚಿತ್ ದುಃಖ ಭಾಗ್ ಭವೇತ್. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. Thank you for attending this satsanga section. ಈ ಸತ್ಸಂಗದ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ.